What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be adding an X-pipe to my 2023 Mustang and getting rid of that big ass Resonator that we do not need. Just so you guys can see what it sounds like with the Ford factory active exhaust with a Resonator Delete. So then where I want to end is with a Cook's callus header setup with a full Corsair Extreme exhaust. But I want to do little stages in between to kind of show you guys what, if you didn't want to spend that kind of money, what it could sound like with the just headers and X-pipe delete, or no, X-pipe with the Resonator Delete and Ford factory mufflers, because it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. Because this was $145, I believe, on American Muscle. Not that expensive. So let's get to it. have it. We did the 4 exhaust modes with the Resonator Delete and with the Resonator still on. And I tell you what, it sounds a lot better in my opinion. I think it just gives it a nice, cleaner tone. A little more high pitched. It's definitely more rumbly, as you can hear. Listen. I didn't do it. Gurgly, I guess. Oh, it just sounds so good. Hear the gurgles? Yeah. You know, for somebody that wants their car just a hair louder but doesn't want it overly loud, I think this is good. I mean, I think this is a good... I mean, this is in track mode, and when I cold started, I switched it to track mode right away, so I mean, that's the loudest it's going to be. And I think it's a really nice tone. But personally, I want louder, so we're going to do catalyst headers and, you know, full course exhaust. But for the summer, or at least for a few months, this will work. Doesn't drone. I don't know if I can put my GoPro on outside somewhere to kind of get the sound driving. That might be a little difficult, but we'll see. I hooked the GoPro to the back of my car, and we're going to go try to get some videos and hopefully get some decent sound clips. I don't know how well it's going to work. I did put a little safety cord on there because I did not want my GoPro hitting blacktop because I don't trust that suction cup. But it's been holding now for like probably an hour, so hopefully it'll be fine. So we're going to give it a shot. And then we're going to do some driving around and get some clips so you guys can hopefully hear some of the gurgles it does and kind of have an idea what it sounds like from the outside. Well, there you go. There's a 2023 Mustang GT with a Resonator Delete with an X pipe installed. Got some good clips, hopefully, with the GoPro on the back. It sounds really good. It's not overly loud, but it's not quiet either. It's perfect if you want something a little bit louder, but not like over the top. So the next step on this car, well, will be tint. It goes in Monday for tint. So we'll do a video on that, and then after that, hopefully wheels and tires and suspension, so we get this thing sitting and looking a little prettier, because I'm going to be honest, I'm not a fan of these wheels at all. I don't like them at all. So once we do, I should say the next performance step is going to be headers, I think. I want to do Cook's long tube catless headers to the factory exhaust. So we'll have the Cook's to the X pipe to the factory mouth, and we'll see what that sounds like. So like I said earlier in the video, plan is Cook's headers with Corsa Extreme catback, but that'll probably be a little while. We got some other things we're going to do first. Get this thing looking a little prettier. So if you guys liked the video and are excited to see this build, this one I'm actually going to keep for a while. I know I say that a lot, but this one I actually am, because it's expensive and it's hard to get up from underneath because I paid a lot for it. I shouldn't say paid a lot for it, but I got a good deal on it. But, you know, new car, you lose your ass if you sell it. So they'll probably keep it a while. So we're going to do a bunch of stuff to it. So make sure you stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.